I scream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream. Can you say this tongue twister without fumbling? Try it with me. I scream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream. Now, I am taking a 3-day English speaking challenge. So, let's begin today's challenge. Today I am doing listening practice using a website Hello. Let me show you.
Conversation 1.
Hello. Are you a new student?
Yes, I am. Today is my first day.
Hello. Are you a new student? Yes, I am. Today is my first day.
Wow, welcome. My name is Tony.
Hi, Tony. I'm Beth.
Welcome. My name is Tony. Hi, Tony. I am Beth.
Are you new in town?
Yes, I'm from New York.
Wow.
Wow, the big city.
Are
Are you from around here?
Yes, I am.
I am.
That is
That's
so cool.
Well,
it
it
is
is nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you
too. Nice to meet you too. This type of short conversation helps me improve my listening skill. Daily most used sentences, and I practice these sentences in front of mirror. First, welcome. Welcome to my channel. Welcome at my home. Welcome at my class. Just listen. Listen to me. Listen to him. Listen to her. Just listen for 1 minute or listen for 1 minute. Think before you speak. Think before you go. Think before you eat. Don't talk nonsense. Don't talk rubbish. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Please move a bit. Come soon. It's my pleasure. That's all right. It's all yours. As your wish. As you please. What are you doing? I am studying. I am sleeping. I am talking. Who told you? I didn't say this. What brings you here? Could you drink water? Let me take a look. Let me talk to you. I know everything. I know everybody. I don't know. I'm just coming. Where's my medicine? Where's my file? Do you have any problem? Don't get angry on hearing it. Are all of you ready? Are all of you ready? Take them along with us. He has seen very bad days. You are wasting your time. You are wasting your life. You are jealous. What are you reading? These sentences help me learn how to use English naturally in daily conversation. They are simple, practical, and easy to remember. I practice these sentences regularly because they help me express my thoughts more easily in English and build confidence in real life. Writing practice. This is my writing practice and I am going to read it for you. Today, I want to write about my channel's monetization and why I am continue posting videos. It's for my audience. My channel has almost 3,000 subscribers, but it is not monetized yet. YouTube runs ads on my channel, but I don't earn any money from them. All the revenue goes to YouTube. Why do I continue posting videos? I created this channel for my English speaking improvement and to help people like me. My main focus is improvement, not monetization. I don't focus on views and money. I just practice my English without any revenue expectations. Currently, I want to express my thoughts in English without hesitation. And I am able to do this. If you watch my videos from the first one to this one, you can clearly see a difference in my speaking confidence. Even if just one person is motivated by my journey and learn exactly how to practice spoken English by watching my videos, it means a lot to me because I am adding value to their English learning. Also, this inspires me to make videos and share my learning journey with you. I welcome all of you to become a part of my learning journey and guide me on where I make mistakes and how to improve them. So at the end, I want to write that I am happy to improve step by step and help people like me. And here I learn a thing. Mistake, we always make mistake, not do mistake. So always say I make mistake. So you can see how I write my thoughts in English. I might make a few mistakes, but that's how I learn and improve. And I really enjoy my reading practice. As you know, I usually read a Panchatantra story. And today I read a story called Timid Doe. Timid Doe, Rabbit. There was a doe. She was very timid. She always got scared in trivial and simple situations. She feared even fast blowing wind and rattling sound of dry leaves. There was a berry tree in the jungle. One day the doe was sitting under that tree. Wind was blowing fast and a berry fruit fell on the head of doe. I read the whole story aloud and first try to understand its meaning. I also underline words which I don't know. I really enjoy this process. Next, mirror speaking, which is very powerful for building confidence. And I have shared this in a separate video. This practice has really given me confidence. Potato or potato. How do you pronounce it? Yes, correct pronunciation is potato. Today I focused on correct pronunciation of 10 vegetables. First, potatoes. We are having potatoes for dinner. Second, carrot. Not carrot. It's a carrots. Carrots are good for you. Third, peas. Not peas. It's a peas. Please buy some peas. Fourth, tomatoes. Not tomatoes. It's a tomatoes. Tomatoes need lots of sun. Sweet potatoes. Peel the sweet potatoes before you cook them. Sixth, onions. Not onions. Say it with me. Onions. Cut the onions into small pieces. 7. Mushrooms. I love mushrooms. Peppers. I like peppers in my salad. 9th, aubergine. Cook the aubergine in the oil. 10th, sweet corn. Please open a tin of sweet corn. Not corn. It's a corn. I hope this video gives you some idea for your own English journey. All the best for your journey too. See you soon.